Hi guys, and welcome to my newest tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're gonna see how you can basically hide or remove the date and author in the posts, basically any post you want. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna install a new plugin. I'm gonna delete it so you can basically see the whole process of installing the plugin. So the first thing you're gonna do is basically on the left hand side you're gonna go to plugins and you're gonna go to add a new plugin. Left click on that. It's gonna take us to this page right here. We're gonna search for hide or remove metadata. Click enter, and after that we're gonna take us to this right here. So hide remove metadata. You're gonna left click on install now, and we're gonna wait for it to install. After it's installed, it's gonna change to this activate button right here. You're gonna left click on that, and here it is basically the hide remove metadata. After it's that, so hide remove is a free, simple yet extremely handy WordPress plugin that helps you hide author and publish date either by CSS or PHP from your website effortlessly. So we're gonna left click on settings right below that. And as you can see here, after we check the hide author and hide publish date, we're gonna click on save changes. So after this, every new post you make are not gonna see, you're not gonna see author or date it's published. So basically people are not gonna be able to see it. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope I guys helped you, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye.